Hello Pixar fans, today I'm going to show you the Chase collection from Disney Pixar Cars. So in my request today I've got Boost, Snotrod and Wingo. So for today's review I've got here DJ in metallic blue, which is nice. And there's DJ on here. And there's the Chase. So let's get him out of the box. Here's DJ. Let me show you the details. So this metallic car is blue and with the lovely turquoise stripes, which are so pretty that it looks cool and it's shiny. I all have variations of DJ because DJ is one of my favourites. And there is the DJ mixer on the back of him, and that plays sounds to make him trick Mac all the time. And he's showing you his happy smile. His eyes are purple there. Nice moving wheels, which are pretty. I should get a request on these because my friends are going to see them. This is so pretty. So here is the logo here, Chase, and the Disney Pixar Cars logo. And here is DJ. And there he is. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check in the link below and subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you next time.